Every time you lift your hand off the keyboard and reach for your mouse or touchpad, you're wasting precious seconds. That's why I use keyboard shortcuts for everything on my PC. Keyboard shortcuts improve our accuracy as well as efficiency. There are many keyboard shortcuts for various tasks which we repeatedly do while we are using our computers. As they are repetitive tasks, there is a high chance there is a keyboard shortcut for it. So today we'll show you top 5 keyboard shortcuts will change the way you use your computer. Imagine you are writing a document and you misspelled a word. Rather than deleting the word character by character, hitting Ctrl plus backspace will delete the entire word. Isn't it cool? Now you can also move the cursor at the beginning or ending of the word by pressing Ctrl plus right arrow and Ctrl plus left arrow. This will save you a lot of time. There may be times when your apps may get unresponsive or freeze, and even though trying closing the program it may refuse it to do so. To avoid data loss or restarting your PC, pressing Ctrl plus backspace plus escape will fire up the task manager. This will help you to force quit any malfunctioning apps or stop the ones that are not responding. That's a lifesaver. Many a times while you are on a computer we have to deal with multiple programs and this may cause a mess of windows all over on your screen. To carry forward your ongoing task in a new and fresh environment, without closing any apps and lose unsaved data, you can create a new virtual desktop by pressing Ctrl plus Windows plus D. Now what about the previous apps and windows I was working with? Is it gone? No. By pressing Ctrl plus Windows plus right arrow or Ctrl plus Windows plus left arrow, you can switch between virtual desktops. That's cool, right? Tired of typing documents and emails? With Windows 11 Microsoft introduced voice typing with auto punctuations. Press Windows plus H on your keyboard, voice typing program with auto punctuation will fire up. Instead of typing text you can type using your voice. That's a cool feature by Microsoft, isn't it? Many a times you delete a file and then it goes into the recycle bin as per the rules of operating system. What if you want to delete a file permanently without letting go into recycle bin? Click on the file you want to delete and press Shift plus delete. File will be permanently deleted from your system. So which shortcuts you often use while you are on a computer? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video.